Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your email with SendinBlue detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your email with SendinBlue, start by logging into your SendinBlue account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the SMTP and API section on the left sidebar. Click on it to expand the options. Next, select SMTP from the drop-down menu. You will see the option to create an SMTP key. Click on Create a new SMTP key. In the pop-up window, give your SMTP key a name for easy identification. After naming your key, click on Generate. Your new SMTP key will appear on the screen. Copy this key for later use. Now, open your email client or application. Locate the Settings section within your email client. Find the option to add a new account or SMTP settings. Input your email address and fill in the required fields. In the SMTP server field, enter smtp.sendinblue.com. For the SMTP port, use 587 or 465, depending on your client's compatibility. Next, in the password field, paste the SMTP key you previously copied. Ensure that you set the encryption to TLS or SSL. Save the SMTP settings. To complete the verification process, you will need to check your inbox. SendinBlue will have sent you a verification email. Locate the email and open it. Click on the verification link provided in the email. You will be redirected back to the SendinBlue interface. Upon successful verification, you will receive a confirmation message. Your email is now verified with SendinBlue. Congratulations, you have completed the verification process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.